Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is basically an object such as a small metallic ball tied to a thread of 1 meter length and suspended freely from a non-moving stand. The metallic ball is called bob of pendulum. When the bob is chained to one side and leaf start moving to and fro. During motion there are two positions when the bob stops and changes direction. These positions are called extreme position of pendulum. Let denoted A and B. There is a moderate position between the extreme position. It is called the mean position of the pendulum. And the bob is rest is called mean position. The motion of bob that the motion of a simple pendulum repeated itself after certain time. Such motion is said to be periodic or oscillatory motion. The bob completes one oscillation when it moves from mean position, goes to one of extreme position, then to the other extreme position and return to mean position again. The time taken by the bob to complete one oscillation is called time period. By measuring the time required to complete an oscillation from the extreme position.